Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to link Cash App to Robinhood. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily link your Cash App to Robinhood. So the first thing to do is to open the Robinhood app and log in into your account. So tap the account icon at the bottom right, then select transfer, then tap linked account. So choose add new account, then select Cash App, which is the Lincoln Savings Bank or Stoughton Bank, depending on your Cash App bank. Then enter your Cash App routine number and the account number. Find this in Cash App under your banking direct deposit. Then follow the prompt to verify the account. Robinhood may send a micro deposit. So once verified, your Cash App account is now linked to Robinhood, and you can now transfer money between Cash App and Robinhood. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more simple guide.